Hello everyone, myself Varsha Jauria, Assistant Professor of Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Indore. Today, in Pharmaceutical Organic Third Chemistry, we are going to study about furin and introduction of furin, different types, reactions of furin and medicinal uses of furin. So, let's start with introduction of furin. First, what is furin and what's the structure of furin? As we know, furan is a heterocyclic compound consists of 5-membered aromatic ring with 4 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom. And furan derivatives drug like furazolidone, nitrofurazone and nitrofurantide. These are all derivatives of furan which containing 5-membered ring with carbon atom. Now, here are the physical properties of furan ring. Furan ring is a colorless, flammable and highly volatile liquid, and the melting point of furan is minus 85.6 degrees Celsius and the boiling point is 31.3 degrees Celsius. It is soluble in organic solvent, for example alcohol, ether, acetone, but slightly soluble in water. It is toxic in nature because it may be carcinogenic. And let us study about aromaticity of furan. As we know, furan is a heterocyclic compound and it is aromatic in nature. Why? Because it follows the Huckel's rule 4 and plus 2 pi electron rule. So, the resonance energy of furan is 67 kilojoule and 16 kilocalorie per mole. The oxygen within cyclic structure can assume an sp2 hybridization and one of the 2 lone pairs occupies pz orbitals, allowing oxygen to contribute the continuous loop of pz orbitals. That's why it consists of sp2 hybridization and it obeys the Huckel's rule 4n plus pi 2 electron and the integer's value is 1. If integer value will 1, that means the compound nature is aromatic. If integer value is in 0.1, 0.2 like that, means that compound is non-aromatic compound and it does not follow the Huckel's rule. But furan is a aromatic compound. Why? Because it follows the Huckel's rule and sp2 hybridization. The chemical properties of furan, there are various chemical properties of furan. It appears the structure, different types of resonatic structure. First, second, third are main contributing structures since 2 or 5 substitution. Electrophilic substitution reactions occurs at 2 and 3 position. The resonatic structure of furan, there are 5 resonatic structure of furan in which their delocalization of electrons occurs in different aromatic ring of furan. Now, name reaction for furan synthesis. Basically, furan is synthesized by Pahl-Knorr synthesis, and Pahl-Knorr synthesis is a condensation reaction in which the acid catalyzes cyclization of 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds in presence of acid or Lewis acid. In this reaction, 1,4-dicarbonyl reacts in presence of Lewis acid, so we get furan derivatives or furan ring. The second reaction is furan is synthesized from hexane 1,5-dione. Hexane 1,5-dione is also a dicarbonyl compound in which tautomerism reaction is occurs. Tautomerism reaction is a reaction in which the shifting of functional group or protons from one place to another. So here the double bond is shifted towards the CH2 and this double bond is shifted to this side. So here we get the 2 double bonds and this OH is remaining there. Then Further, second step, H2O was released, and finally we get dimethylfuran and furan derivatives compound. In third reaction, from ethyl acetoacetate. When ethyl acetoacid is react in presence of methanol, so we get furan derivatives, or 2-methyl, 2,5-methyl and 3,4-carboxylic acid derivatives compound, furan compound. Now, third method of preparation of furan is from pentose sugar. Here the structure of pentose sugar, and we can write also like this also the structure of pentose sugar. When dehydration reaction was occurs, then 3 moles of H2O was released, and we get furfural. Furfural is a compound in which furan aromatic ring containing aldehyde group. So this nomenclature will furfural. And fourth reaction is from furfural. When we react direct furfural in presence of any reducing agent, for example lithium aluminum hydride, sodium borate, so we get furan ring. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Furan undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at position second. So here the all structure of resonatic structure of furan, their C2 attacks gives more resonance contributing structures than C3. Extra stable contributing structure generates upon C2. Basically furan aromatic ring and electrophilic substitutions occurs in furan ring at C2 position. Electrophile can attack and electrophilic substitution reaction will occur. First reaction in sulfonation, when furan is react in presence of H2SO4. So H2SO4 breaks in OH minus and SO3H plus. So we get 2-sulfon furan and 3-sulfon furan. When electrophile attack on second position, so we get 2-sulfon furan. When electrophile attack on third position, so we get 3-sulfon furan. There are different reactions of electrophilic reactions of furan ring. For example, nitration, when HNO3 dilute nitric acid is react with furan, so we get nitrofuran, 2-nitrofuran. Iodination when furan is react with 4 moles of I2, so we get tetra iodofuran. Reduction, when reduction reaction can occur in furan ring in presence of 2H2 and platinum and nickel, so we get tetrahydrofuran. Now, uses of furan ring. Furfural is used to make other furan chemicals such as furic acid via oxidation, and furan itself via palladium catalyzed vapor phase decarbonylation. Furfural is also important chemical solvent. Furfural is important renewable non-petroleum based chemical feedstock. Hydrogenation of furfural provides furfural alcohol, which is useful chemical intermediate and which may be further hydrogenated to tetrahydrofurfural alcohol. And these all are medicinal uses of furan. For example, nitrofurans and nitrofurans derivative, for example, nitrofurazone, furazolidone, nitrofurantine is used as an anti-infective agent, used an anti-protozoal agent to treat trypanosomiasis and leishmaniasis disease. Ranitidine, also containing a furan ring, which used as an antihistaminic agent used in peptic ulcers. Thank you.